If you have a house in Maple Heights, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Maple Heights, Ohio, and I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Maple Heights prefer to work with us as a direct buyer rather than working with a traditional buyer who might be using a real estate agent or might be using some type of mortgage loan to buy your house. So first and foremost, we're going to keep it very easy because we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. That means there's no work you need to put into the house. You don't need to come out of pocket. You don't need to go to the Home Depot. You don't need to pull out the paper towels and the Windex and get the house ready or clean. And you don't need to haul anything away. So you can take with you anything that you want out of the house, anything that you don't want or don't need. You simply could leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. And what allows us to buy these houses in their as-is condition where you don't have to do any work to it whatsoever is we're a cash buyer. There's no third-party approvals. There's no mortgage. There's no bank. There's no lender. Since we're a cash buyer, we're able to buy the house as it is. Now, with a traditional buyer, if they're using, first off, if they're using a realtor and there's commissions that got to be paid, they might want you to pay those commissions. That's money out of your pocket and right out of your bottom line. You don't need to pay any commissions with us. Or if they're using a traditional mortgage lender, they're going to send through a formal inspector, and this is pretty intrusive. They're going to test every outlet, light switch, ceiling fan, open and close every door. And what they're doing is compiling pages and pages and pages of things wrong with the house, and that could only be used against you. It could only be used to get credits or want you to make the repairs or extensions or discounts. And then if you survive this thorough inspection, it gets worse because now they're going to send the appraiser through. And oftentimes the appraiser works for the bank, and I think we both know that the bank has their own best interests in mind, certainly not yours, and they can pull the rug out from under this thing at any time and completely waste your time. But it's not just time being wasted, it's your money as well, because in real estate, every day that goes by that the house doesn't close, you're still paying utilities and insurance and property taxes, and there's opportunity cost. So if you have a house in Maple Heights, Ohio, and you want to get a fair cash offer, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name. We were founded in Columbus, but I'm actually born and raised in the Cleveland area, and we're very familiar with working with sellers in Maple Heights. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about when you are wanting to close. We're going to close on your timeline. We're not relying on a bank, as I mentioned, and you tell us when you want to close. If you want something done quickly, we can make that happen. Or if you want something more flexible where we got to set a future closing date, we're happy to accommodate your needs. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your house in Maple Heights. If our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward and get this done for you. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to add any pressure or sales tactics or gimmicks, and we're not going to waste your time. So if you have a house in Maple Heights and you want to get a fair cash offer, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.